Hi, is getting your home ready for sale making you feel like this?
We gotta clean the house now, people! I want this place looking like Disney on Ice in 1 minute. Terry, if you haven't made your bed, throw it away. It's too late to make it now. Company is coming. Get rid of the couches. We can't let people know we said!
Don't worry, we have you covered. Check out these great tips on staging your home.
While staging for a living room, you want to identify your main focal point. In some cases, it would be a fireplace. In this case, it's going to be the entertainment center. Here we'll put a high-end entertainment stand, some modern art that reflects the style of the house. Across from the entertainment center, we're going to put a sofa, some side chairs, some accent tables, a rug, and a coffee table, so buyers can really picture themselves living in this space. The most important thing when you're trying to hang artwork is it's important to measure a couple times if you're unsure, because the more nail holes you're putting in the wall, you might be adding to some objections when people are walking through. When we're appealing to the high-end buyer, we want to concentrate on specific colors that might be appealing. Grays are always a great thing to consider. It's very trendy right now, but it's also neutral that will work in almost any space.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our tip on staging. Now, if you're interested in a professional stager, give us a call. We're happy to refer you to someone. Have a great day and thank you for watching. When thinking about selling your home, don't leave it to chance. Call the Rich Sparks team. We'll give you good advice so you can make a good decision for you and your family.